She's in 40.
Oh, 40 years old.
She like Filipino man, so can you find a man for her?
Oh, did you know that most of the Filipino people
Handsome
is
and macho.
wait lang, Sid Monica, masyado ka madandan. Okay, Miss, Madam, good evening. Did you know that Filipino people, most of them are exotic?
Yeah.
Do you
She
like
like
exotic?
exotic. She like
No.
exotic.
Most of them are exotic, but he look like delicious.
Perfect.
If you can taste them, you feel like You want that? You want that, madam?
Why you
How-
call her madam? Her name is Jenny.
I have a
Jenny,
name.
how many years are you
Jenny.
single? How many years you're single?
Just some months. That's all. Just a couple of months.
Oh my goodness.
Not long.
It's a month only.
No, it's not a month.
A few months.
Oh, very
A few
fresh.
months. Yeah, very.
Gusto mo tumugo ang ilong, guys. Akit kayo dito. Ha? Shit, wag mo siya pa sigarilyoin dito.
Oh, goodness.
Okay, oo. So, what do you want in the Filipino people?
I don't know. Any suggestions? Any suggestions? What I want?
Hindi na allow to smoke. Hindi na allow to
Ikaw pa lang hindi ko na kaya. Maghanap ka ng suggestion dyan sa kasama mo.
Oh, he's a chef as well. He's a chef. Okay. Both they're chef.
I
That's
don't want
okay.
another chef. No, I don't want another chef. That's no good, is it?
Si Monica
Oh,
lang akin.
English. New Yorker English.
Look at you, Monet. Look after you well.
Ikaw naman New Yorker is old, she said.
I'm old. I'm 85 years old. Oh, sorry, man. Sure.
Eh, shit, Monica, ang lukot mo. Jenny, how old are you?
Yes.
How old are you?
45.
45.
45.
You all already bang.
Yeah, almost. Not much life left, mate, no. Almost at the end of it now.
5 years
Ang
old.
hirap pakipag-usap sa ngumo, guys.
What did he say? What did he say?
No. Thank you. Oo.
Paano ako?
Okay. So,
Bye.
binaba ko siya. Okay. So, what is your ideal man na Miss Jenny?
My ideal man.
Yeah. Tall, handsome, and dark.
Yeah.
Ikaw ba si Jenny? Are you Jenny?
I tried to hold her.
Okay. So what is your ideal man?
Tall, dark, handsome.
Tall, dark, and handsome. Okay. You don't like tall, dark, and ugly? You don't like? Okay. Breed of life. Sir, good evening.
Good evening, 2.0 idol.
Okay,
Open
open
ako?
cam. This is your, okay. So,
Wow.
Wow.
Idol.
How old are you?
Mga hindi ako papasa idol. I think
Gampanan mo yung pinitigil. Kat dito. How old are you?
42. Ay 42 idol. 42.
Ma'am Jenny. Ma'am Jenny.
Alright.
Hey, Jenny, listen to me, okay?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm listening.
I have a... Mamati ko to, makinig ka to ha. Mahirap makipag-usap dito. Ngungo ito. Okay?
You couldn't tell me what he said.
He said it's
No,
very hard.
no. Madam, okay? So I have a friend here. So he is already 42 years old. Okay. It's okay?
He's a bit young, isn't he? A bit young for me. He's younger than me.
Oh, it's only 2 years.
Oh, no.
Here, 1 year. Next month, 43.
3 years.
Next month, 3 months. Next month, 43. Next month, 43.
Jenny, it means do you like old man?
Old.
Not an old man, no.
No, it's older than you.
No.
Young.
Not. He's a bit young, isn't he?
It's a bit young.
Yeah.
Do you like sugar mommy?
Jenny, listen to me, okay?
Yeah.
Don't look to her age. Just look to her face, okay? Okay. Oh.
May zero. Tutugo ilong ko.
Not.
Okay.
He's a boyfriend.
Okay. So, madam, okay, let's wait, okay? I'll find you a man, okay?
You keep trying. Yeah.
Okay. I'll try my best.
Yeah. You try your best. You keep searching.
Oo. Because someday I want you to feel like Okay. Oh. But sorry, I need to tell you, no, some of the Filipino people is very exotic, okay? But it's look like delicious. Oh, Diyos ko, masakit sa ulo itong live na ito. Adrian! Natakot! Ayaw mag-English. Okay, moderator. Sino malakas ang loob dyan?
Person or chat that person, that's fine. But if you don't want to, if you want to ignore it, just fine.
You can carry on now, Ruth.
Where you going?
Carry on.
Just fine.
You can carry on.
She don't want to find anybody else. Oh, that's one is handsome. Let me see the let me see the face first. Let's see him.
Let's see him then.
Sir, open cam, sir. Sir, open cam. Yun!
Why we couldn't see him?
Pag hindi ka open cam yun, ibablock kita. Sige.
Oh, he muted as well.
Okay, block mo
No,
dito.
she want. Madilim. Oh, we go back to work now. See you later. We're at work.
Nahirapan mo ka.
We tried to find a handsome man, but we're at
Okay.
work.
I really don't know what any of them are on. But they all come from the same
Bye
place.
bye.
You can tell that.